Losartan detailed drug study. 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name, Losartan potassium. Drug class, angiotensin II receptor blocker, ARB, antihypertensive. Brand name, Cozaar. Dosage forms, oral tablets, 25 milligrams, 50 ml, 100 milligrams. Oral suspension, compounded for pediatric or swallowing difficulty. Definition: Losartan is a selective angiotensin II receptor antagonist used to treat hypertension and protect target organs, heart, kidneys, brain, by blocking the vasoconstrictive and aldosterone-secreting effects of angiotensin II. It belongs to the AR group and is commonly used as an alternative to ACE inhibitors in patients who develop cough. Number 3, mechanism of action, MOA. Losartan selectively blocks angiotensin II type 1, AT1 receptors in vascular smooth muscle, adrenal glands, kidneys, heart. Normal RAS action. Angiotensin II causes vasoconstriction, aldosterone release, sodium and water retention, increased blood pressure, cardiac remodeling. Losartan effects: prevents vasoconstriction, vasodilation, decreases aldosterone secretion, reduces sodium and water retention, lowers blood volume, decreases systemic vascular resistance, reduces cardiac workload, slows kidney damage in diabetes. Unlike ACE inhibitors, Losartan does not increase bradykinin, so cough is uncommon. Number 4, pharmacokinetics, absorption, well absorbed orally, bioavailability 33%. Food does not significantly affect absorption. Distribution, highly protein bound 99%, crosses placenta, not well studied in breast milk. Metabolism, liver metabolism via CY2C9 and CY3A4, converted to active metabolite, EX374. Active metabolite is 10 to 40 times more potent. Peak plasma levels. Parent drug, 1 hour, active metabolite, 3-4 hours. Half-life, Losartan, 2 hours, active metabolite, 6 to 9 hours. Excretion, 35% urine, 60% feces. U5, use 1 hypertension, primary use, 2 diabetic nephropathy, 3 chronic kidney disease with proteinuria, 4 left ventricular hypertrophy, 5 stroke risk reduction, 6 heart failure, off-label in some cases. Number 6, indications: treatment of hypertension in adults and children B6 years, reduce risk of stroke in patients with hypertension and LVH, slow progression of diabetic kidney disease in type 2 diabetes. Number 7, contraindications: hypersensitivity to Losartan, pregnancy, especially second and third trimester, causes fetal injury, concomitant use with aliskiren in diabetic patients, severe hepatic impairment, relative contraindication. 8. Precautions before taking this medicine. Use caution in patients with renal artery stenosis, severe kidney disease, liver disease, hypovolemia, dehydration, hyperkalemia, heart failure, elderly patients. Monitoring required: blood pressure, serum potassium, serum creatinine, BUN, kidney function. 9. How to use: take once daily, with or without food, same time each day, do not crush unless instructed, continue long-term unless advised otherwise. BP control may take 3 to 6 weeks for full effect. Number 10, dosing information. Hypertension, adults. Initial, 50 milligrams once daily. If volume depleted, 25 milligrams daily. Usual range, 25 to 100 milligrams daily. Diabetic nephropathy. Start, 50 milligrams daily. Increase to 100 milligrams daily based on response. Pediatric, 6 years. 0.7 milligram kilogram once daily. Max initial 50 milligrams. Hepatic impairment. Start lower dose, 25 milligrams. SNOC 11, missed dose and overdose. Missed dose, take as soon as remembered, skip if near next dose, do not double dose. Overdose symptoms: severe hypotension, dizziness, fainting, rapid or slow heart rate, management. Supportive care, IFL fluids 12. Stop or avoid taking. Do not stop suddenly without medical advice. Avoid if pregnant or planning pregnancy, severe dehydration, severe hypotension, severe hyperkalemia. 13. Side effects: common, mild, dizziness, fatigue, upper respiratory infection, nasal congestion, diarrhea, back pain. Moderate, hypotension, hyperkalemia, increased creatinine. Severe, rare, angioedema, acute kidney injury, severe hypotension. Seek emergency care for swelling of face, lips, or throat. 14. Vital information: may cause first dose hypotension. Monitor electrolytes regularly. Avoid potassium supplements. Not safe in pregnancy. Category D. Does not cause dry cough like ACE inhibitors. 15. Drug interactions: increases potassium, potassium supplements, spironolactone, amiloride, reduces effect, NSAIDs increases toxicity, lithium, additive effect, other antihypertensives, diuretics, ACE inhibitors. 16. Drug comparison feature Losartan, lisinopril class. Class ARB, ACE inhibitor, cough, rare, common, bradykinin effect, no, yes, angioedema rare, more common, pregnancy, contraindicated, contraindicated. Kidney protection, yes. Losartan is preferred if patient develops ACE inhibitor-induced cough. NAHASH 17. For patients prescribed Losartan, Cozaar. NASH 1. Purpose of the medicine. Losartan is used to lower high blood pressure, protect your kidneys, especially if you have diabetes, reduce the risk of stroke, help protect your heart. It works by relaxing blood vessels so blood flows more easily. 2. How to take Losartan. Take once daily or as prescribed. Can be taken with or without food. Take it at the same time every day. Swallow tablet with water. Do not stop taking it even if you feel well. High blood pressure often has no symptoms. If prescribed liquid form, shake well before use. Measure with proper dosing device. 3. What to expect. Blood pressure may improve within 1 week. Full effect may take 3 to 6 weeks. You may not feel different, but the medicine is still working. HANA 4. Miss dose. Take it as soon as you remember. Skip if close to next dose. Do not double the dose. NABA 5. Lifestyle advice. To improve results, follow a low-salt diet, exercise regularly as advised, maintain healthy weight, stop smoking, limit alcohol intake. 6. Safety precautions. Rise slowly. Losartan may cause dizziness, especially when starting treatment, when standing up quickly. Sit or lie down if you feel dizzy. Monitor blood pressure. Check BP regularly at home if advised. Keep a record for doctor visits. Avoid high potassium. Do not use potassium supplements, salt substitutes containing potassium, large amounts of potassium-rich foods, bananas, oranges without doctor approval. Losartan can increase potassium levels. Pregnancy warning. Do not take if pregnant. Can cause serious harm to the baby. Inform doctor immediately if pregnancy occurs. Dehydration risk. Call your doctor if you have severe vomiting, diarrhea, excessive sweating. Dehydration can cause dangerously low blood pressure. 7. When to seek medical help. Seek emergency care if you notice swelling of face, lips, tongue, throat, difficulty breathing, severe dizziness or fainting, chest pain, irregular heartbeat. 8. Possible side effects. Common, usually mild, dizziness, fatigue, headache, cold-like symptoms. Serious, report immediately. Very low blood pressure, high potassium, muscle weakness, irregular heartbeat, kidney problems, reduced urine. Drug and food interactions. Inform your doctor if you take diuretic pills, NSAIDs, ibuprofen, naproxen, lithium, other blood pressure medications. Avoid alcohol if it increases dizziness. Number 10. Regular monitoring. Your doctor may check blood pressure, kidney function, potassium levels. Keep all follow-up appointments. Number 11. Important reminders. This is usually a long-term treatment. Do not stop without consulting your doctor. Store at room temperature. Thank you. Have a nice day.